We'll start with the Mustard S71 size 4 saltwater hook. We've got some uni thread 8/0 fire orange. This is the orange ruthless. So we'll just attach our thread here and we go back a ways. This is a Ken Abrams pattern, originally designed for stripers, but it's worked fabulously for sea trout and sea bass. So I have a little bunch of cleaned and stacked bucktail. Tail wants to be 6-7 centimeters long. So we'll just tie this in here, pull it round onto top of the hook shank, and we go back. That's perfect, and we can work our way forward just over the bucktail. I'll go forward more or less all the way over the bucktail so I get a nice even underbody. That'll do us there. So we'll remove that. And you can tie this in different colours, it's not just the orange ruthless. The black ruthless I've used a lot, rather like a woolly bugger. And we'll go back here. That's good. Then what we need is, I'm using some Barry boosted crinkle orange crush. I've got 2 or 3 strands of that. I'll just extend that bobbin and we'll take these and we'll lift up. We'll pull these through. A little longer than the tail, and that will do us there. And then we can go forward 2 or 3 turns, and then we'll fold over, pull them to one side, keep hold of the flash material, and then we can come in, trim them off to about the same length as the other side. So then we need a saddle hackle, again orange, fluorescent orange, little longer than the tail. So what we'll do here is we'll just strip this off so we've got the correct length. That's good. But before we tie that in, what we want is some of this fluff here. So we'll just pull a bit of that downy fluff off there. This is, when you're tying flat wings, this is referred to as the pillow, and we would just want to dub this on. Just like this, we slide it up and we'll put just like that. Then we'll take our saddle feather and we'll place this on top of the pillow, hold it in position, and we want this not to lie like that. Take it up there again, flat on top of the platform tail like that, as this is a single hackle flat wing. And then we can just secure that. I like to fold it over, trim that off. Then we need a webby saddle hackle. We just prepare the tip like this. We'll trim that off and go back, tie that in, move forward, got some gold body braid which we'll just tie in here, pull that through, go back a wee ways and then forward again to secure it, and then we'll just cover the body by wrapping rearwards to the hackle like so, and then we can go back forward again. Again, this gives a little bit more volume to the body but also makes it a little more robust. And we go forward and we tie that off there. Two or three turns behind, fold it over, two or three turns in front to lock it off, and we just come in and trim that off. Now we'll take our hackle and we'll go we want this palmed all the way and when we get to the front I like to make it a little denser. Like so. Then we'll just tie that off again, two or three turns behind, pull everything back and we go tight into the hook eye and work our way back from the hook eye. And we can remove that. Build up a nice strong head with finisher. With finishes, remove that. And that is the orange ruthless, a cracking pattern, supposed to imitate originally a clamworm or a ragworm, but it fishes absolutely brilliantly in most situations. If you enjoy the videos, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.